I bet you didn't know that animals can do some pretty wild things. Stick around and find out. Fact number 1. Did you know that a shrimp's heart is located in its head? Yeah, that's right. Talk about a head start. Next up, fact number 2. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. But who needs to jump when you're that big and awesome? Fact number 3. Otters hold hands while sleeping so they don't drift apart. How adorable is that? Here's fact number 4. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Not surprising considering how fabulous they look. And finally, fact number 5. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Now that's what I call beauty sleep. Thanks for watching, folks. Share these fun facts and keep spreading the animal love. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal content.